Want to automate your sales processes in Salesforce but don't know where to start? In this video, we're going to break it down quickly and easily so you can boost productivity, save time, and close more deals all in Salesforce. Stick with me because I'll also show you an exclusive way to get this software for free with some sweet bonuses. Let's dive into how you can streamline your sales operations using Salesforce. The first thing you should know is how to set up workflow rules. Workflow rules in Salesforce automate tasks like sending emails, updating fields, and creating tasks whenever a certain condition is met. For example, when a lead reaches a certain stage, you can trigger an email or assign a task to a rep without lifting a finger. That's the power of automation, and it's incredibly easy to set up. Next thing you want to look into is Process Builder. This tool goes a step further than workflow rules. With Process Builder, you can create more complex automations like updating records, launching approval processes, or creating related records based on specific criteria. It allows you to create multiple actions for each process, helping you automate more than one task in a single go. The third thing you need to set up is Salesforce Flow. Salesforce Flow is one of the most powerful tools for automating sales processes. It allows you to build both screen flows for guided interactions with your team and auto-launch flows to run background tasks like record updates, notifications, or even creating new records when conditions are met. It's perfect for those really detailed workflows that need to be automated without manual input. The fourth thing to use is Salesforce Einstein for AI-driven automation. Einstein helps analyze your sales data to predict outcomes, recommend actions, and even automate certain sales processes based on those insights. With Einstein's AI capabilities, Salesforce doesn't just automate tasks, it also learns and adapts to help your sales team be more effective. And let's not forget approval processes. With Salesforce, you can automate approvals for quotes, discounts, or contracts. These approval processes can be set up to route requests through the right people automatically, saving time and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now, here's a quick pro tip: integration. Salesforce integrates with tons of other apps like marketing tools and email platforms, meaning you can automate even more parts of your sales cycle. Think about having your marketing campaigns trigger leads in Salesforce, and then your sales team automatically gets notified and takes action. Before I wrap up, remember you can automate almost any repetitive task in Salesforce, making your workflow smooth and your team more efficient. By integrating the right tools and creating custom automations, you can transform your sales process into a seamless, high-performing system. If you want to try Salesforce and start automating your sales process right away, click the first link in the description below to get exclusive bonuses and access to a free trial. This will help you get started with all the automations we've talked about in this video. Don't forget to grab your free trial with our extended offer so you can automate your sales processes for free.